Welcome you all to Civil Action Note channel. In this channel, we are regularly making videos for the job seekers, especially for the civil engineering stream. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about the vacancy which is came from RV Associate. So, it is going to be for the civil and mechanical candidates. So, for the both the streams, we are going to discuss, but we are going to highlight the vacancy for the civil candidates and what type of job it is and what is the experience required. So these are going to be discussed in this video. So before going on to that information, if you are new to our channel, please click on the subscribe button to get regular updates from our channel. So I have got this information, I have gone through this information in LinkedIn page. So we move on to their official LinkedIn page. So this is their official LinkedIn page. There they have posted this information. So they required structural engineer, geotechnical engineer, and then design coordinator and design engineers. So these are the vacancy which are currently been updated by the company in their LinkedIn page. So they need structural engineer for the location of Meerut and Moradabad, minimum with the 5 years experience in structural engineering, and if you are completed only BE, then they need with 10 years experience. So there are two number of openings currently available. And what is the job description they are been given here? So you are going to design the structures like water tank, retaining structures, and storage reservoirs. So everything in aspect with the reservoirs, dams, and water storing, so like that only. So you are going to do the job work. And we move on to the second post. It is geotechnical engineer. So here also what we have seen in the previous one, so same. If you have done postgraduate, then you required 5 years of experience. And if you have only completed undergraduate in civil, so you require 10 years of experience. And then what is the job description? So they have mentioned you about you are going to carry out the investigation and subsoil data, so testing it and reviewing and analyzing, so reports making. So these are the work you are going to be carried. And for this, currently there is one number of vacant is been available. And third post is design coordinator, which is both for civil and mechanical. So if you have completed BE, it is enough. With 5 years experience, it is required. And the location they have specified the location where the project is going to be done. So you can see the location and the job description. So you are going to validate design proposed by the vendors, and you are going to carry out the survey of existing designs, and you are going to assess this to the design and making it optimizing overall scheme. And you are going to deal with the design and design related issues, so that is been mentioned there. And finally, we are moving on to the design engineers. It is for stormwater drainage and sewerage. It is for the candidates who have completed ME or MTech in environmental or water resource engineering. So they have required with 3 to 7 years experience for this post. And there are two number of vacancies being available. And the job description, so they need the candidates with experience in modeling and designing of the sewer or stormwater network. So that has been mentioned. And further they are also mentioned about design calculations and what are the force comes from the mains and pumps. So these are also been discussed. And basic knowledge on STP treatment, so sewage treatment plant also needed. So these are the vacancy. And main thing is this job is having in the location of Hyderabad. So these four vacancies are currently available in RV Associates. And you can see that here for civil and mechanical candidates, here it is with 15 number of openings are available. And but every job role need to have an experience. So if this information is not useful for you, please carry out this information, pass out this information to someone, so that someone get benefited. I think this can be applicable for everyone. I think, and similarly this for the postgraduate. Hope so. I think this information might be useful for you. I will come up with some other information in next video. Until then, thank you and bye.